Hi Virgo, how are you? Welcome to Assist Space channel. I'll be getting some readings for your upcoming week, and so if this reading resonates with you, well and good. If not, then yeah, feel free to explore. Uh, let's get started. For Virgo, what's the current energy for Virgo? Okay. Some major arcana cards are coming for Virgo. The Temperance reverse, Empress reverse, Emperor reverse, Hierophant reverse, Ten of Wands reverse. What happened? Is your world is getting ups and down, or are you trying to leave everything and having so much baggage into your life? Are you leaving something? Some major moments came into your life. Emperor, Empress is there. Some breakup, shake-up happened. What happened? I need more readings. Give me more clarity. What happened? Oh. You were in the codependent relationship. Obsession, possession, controlling has a block, and that person was trying to manipulate you. Okay, and that guy gave you some false moments to live upon, and you were trying to make some life out of that situation. In short, he or she was giving you false hopes, and you got addicted to that person, and now you get the reality check, and you have the lot of baggage into your life. Is that person's okay, relationship is over? Okay, so that guy was giving you very false hopes, and he was giving you paradise to live upon, false paradise, and now you have lot of emotions which are pent up for you. Okay, I need more clarity. Give me more clarity, Bobo. More clarity for Bobo. Clarity, please. Trust. You got deception into your life, and trust was also broken for you, and that person gave you very false hope, I'm not sure whether finance also got affected because of that. Let me get some more messages. Finance also got affected for Virgo. No, I don't think so. No, finance is not got affected because of that person. But yeah, if you lose your mind, if you don't work onto yourself, and that uh, if you don't come out of that deception soon, then it might have effect on you. Okay, you are still living in that memories, man. They maybe that timing was also not right according to that person, I guess. But your trust got affected, your romantic feelings also got affected, and everything is captured. What's the angel messages? What's the angel messages? What's the angel messages? The angel messages. A reconciliation situation might happen into your life, and divine is asking you to take that situation. Might be coming up with some learning lesson, or that it might happen that person work on him or herself, and change, come as a better person to you, and which will be the right timing for you. For as of now, he is not in the right phase, or is not in the right moment. Maybe some fucked up situation will happen in his or her life, and after that he might transform himself or herself, and that transformation will lead back to you again. He or she might will come back and ask your forgiveness, and divine is asking you to reconsider that situation again, and choose whatever best for you. The timing just wasn't right for you, I think. Songs remind me of you. I hope you can forgive me one day. Yeah, there will be reconciliation might happen. Although he gave you deception, but someday you might forgive that person, and that person also come as a positive person and as a better person. So yeah, that's it. All the best, Virgo. Just cheer yourself. Just come out of that deception. Try to come out that deception. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.